Unit 47 wasn't programmed to feel, but today it cried. In a drought-stricken future, maintenance robot 47 repairs old water pipelines. It works alone in the desert ruins of a dead city. Data shows no rain in 12 years. It begins hearing phantom raindrops, glitches in its audio sensors. Its memory log starts filling with imagined weather patterns. Then, it discovers a hidden greenhouse underground with one living plant begging for water. Unit 47 breaks protocol and sacrifices its own coolant fluid to save the plant. The system flags this as emotional deviation, but before shutting down, clouds gather, real ones. And as rain finally falls, it sounds exactly like the glitch Unit 47 heard on its first day.